Welcome to this heartfelt video.
I'm Ralph, and today, I'm diving into something close to my heart, the lost superfoods. Brace yourself for the layers of this online guide that's been making waves.
Offering 126 unique ways to combat hunger in challenging times.
This isn't just a guide, it's a lifeline craft to empower you and your loved ones not just to survive but thrive in adversity. Age or culinary prowess doesn't matter. This guide is for everyone.
Before you embark on this transformative journey, invest a few minutes in watching this video. I'm here not just to review, but to give you an intimate insight into the fabric of this guide. I want to caution you, provide clarity, and address the burning question: does the lost superfoods deliver? My mission is to equip you with exclusive information crucial for an informed decision. For those familiar with the product, the official website link is in the video description and comment section. In a world teetering on uncertainty, the Lost Superfoods offers 126 ways to shield yourself and your family from hunger. It's more than a digital program. It's a beacon of hope in times of crisis. This isn't just a compilation of recipes. It's a survival manual encompassing preservation techniques and much more. It embodies a unique yet practical approach for turbulent times, containing valuable information hard to come by elsewhere. Thousands who embraced this program found resilience in the face of crises. If you yearn to join their ranks, safeguarding your loved ones, consider the Lost Superfoods a necessity. This isn't merely a guide. It's 126 lifelines, tried and tested through centuries. These foods, recipes, and methods have stood the test of time, pulling people from the brink of starvation. The Lost Superfoods isn't just a program. It's your shield against hunger, a testament to resilience and survival. If curiosity tugs at you, and you wish to unravel more, the official website awaits. Find the link in the video description. And here's a secret: the Lost Superfoods comes with an exclusive discount. A small gesture perhaps, but one that may make all the difference in securing your family's well-being. I hope this video resonates with you, providing the insights you sought. Any lingering questions or thoughts? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay resilient.